Hey, what's up? Welcome to day 8 of the 100 Days of Code video series. Today I built something pretty simple in vanilla JavaScript. I was just on GitHub and I was deleting some old repos, and I noticed that when you delete a repository off of GitHub, you have to type in the exact name of the repository before you can delete it. So I built a very low-level version of this with just vanilla JavaScript. Take a look. So we have a few repositories. They're not real, they're just some basic markup. But if you hover over them, you have the option to delete the repository. You have to type in the title of the repo perfectly, so it is case sensitive. So typing in Treehouse Code Adventure in lowercase doesn't work, but if we type it in with the correct capitalization and we hit delete repository, it deletes it. It's a pretty cool little feature, and it wasn't too hard to do in vanilla JavaScript. If you want to contribute to this project, one cool feature you can implement is creating a new repository to add to the UI. As always, I'm going to speed through me building this, but if you want to see the code exactly how I write it, just feel free to slow me down. Let's get into it. Alright, so we're done. That was a pretty fun, small project. I don't get to write a ton of vanilla JavaScript anymore, so I really enjoy getting to write it sometimes. Obviously, this isn't the best way to delete data from a website, but this project utilizes a bunch of fundamental JavaScript concepts and makes for a good practice project. As I mentioned earlier, if you want to contribute to this project, go ahead and fork down the repo and do so. Adding a feature to create new repos would be a great start, or you can implement a new color scheme or a new feature entirely. If you're new to contributing, check out the link in the description on pull requests for beginners, and I'll see you in the next one.